Okay, in this video we're going to go over a couple of ways we can promote our promotional videos. Now you'll see here that it has created a copy of each one as we changed it. So this is our original with the music and this is the one with our soundtrack. So you always have the ones you created previously in here. So let's pick the one we want to promote. So we'll just pick this one here, go to play. And then we'll go to the video toolbar. The first and easiest thing to do, of course, is to export it to YouTube. Okay, now the code that you get with these videos is a script code, so you can't actually get the source to the video. So you're going to have to use this type of tool. So we'll do an export. You begin your export here. We need to authorize access to our account. So allow access. And of course, you need to be signed into your account. If you're not, it's going to ask you for the sign in. I was already signed in. Okay, so here it goes. Okay, so it's been exported. You can go to YouTube. Okay, so here's a video now. Now, what we're going to want to do is change the description over here. And this is where our link is going to be. So let's go to My Videos. And then we want to edit. Okay, and now what you want to do here is put your link in to CB Pirate. Now it's a good idea to use a domain name that you own rather than trying to put an affiliate link here because most people are going to see through that. So the best thing to do is to buy a domain name that's something like CB Pirate or something like that, so that you can just direct them to that domain. Or you can buy a short domain of any name and just use that here. Okay, so I purchased a domain name called reviewonvideo.com. So what I would do is set up a redirect in here to my ClickBank hop link. So we just find redirects. Okay, so then we just put the name of the redirect in here that we want to use. So we could say CB Pirate. And then over here we put our hop link in there. Okay, there's my ClickBank hop link. And we just click add. And our redirect is there. Okay, so you can see it down here, CB Pirate. Now if we go back to YouTube. Okay, so now we're going to change in YouTube the things we need to change, such as our description. So we have some description there as well as a link to our site with HTTP on the front of it. That way it's clickable when people visit our video on the YouTube site. I also added some tags there, and we can change the thumbnail here if we want as well. And that's all I really changed here. I'll just save the changes. And now let's go have a look at the video. There's playing. And over on the right hand side here, there's our clickable link and description. And that's what we were trying to accomplish. So people can click on this link. It goes to our site with our affiliate link intact. Okay, and you can make sure your affiliate link is intact by just going to where the payment link is. Click add to cart or whatever it is, wherever the payment link says. If you roll to the bottom, you should see your affiliate ID there like that. Okay, so that concludes the YouTube part of this. Let's look at another option we can use. Okay, now the other tool that's available to us is this Embed tool. And what we can do here is embed it on our site. So what we'll do is we will embed it on our blog and drive traffic to our blog in other ways. So all you have to do is grab the embed code and just pick what size you want it to be at. So let's pick a size here. And then all you have to do is just grab this code, copy, and then we can go to our review site or to any blog, or we can set up a Blogger blog. We can post it on any website we own actually, and it'll show up there. And we just put our affiliate link there or our link to our review and we're all good to go. Okay, so for instance, if we were going to post it on our WordPress blog, we could just put the title in here. Okay, and then what we would do is we would post our video down here. So first we could put a little blurb in here, and then we could put our video in here as well. Okay, so something like that. And then what we would do is we would go to HTML, because our video is in HTML. So let's just paste that in there. Now, leave a space and just key this string of letters in. Ampersand NBSP allows you to leave multiple spaces. So another space and ampersand NBSP. And then we could put our affiliate link in here. So let's click link. And here we will put our domain name that we're using. Okay, so something like that. And then at the end of this, we have to put some text. Okay, just like that. Okay, so we're going to save it. Now let's do a preview. And there it is here. WordPress didn't like our NBSPs there, but whatever. Okay, so anyway, there is our link down there, and here is our video that will play on our blog. So just in the usual ways, drive traffic to your blog using social networking and article marketing, any other methods that you usually use. Okay, so that concludes the video series on creating promotional videos using Animoto.